Welcome to Punto Novo. We are in the penthouse and it is just coming on the market. Again, Punto Novo is all sold out, but the architect, Ernesto del Castillo, who is very well known here in Nuevo Vallarta, held these units back. So we are the first to see them and they're spectacular. And this unit is a mind blower. You're gonna love it. Modern kitchen is so beautiful. It's minimalistic. It has a fantastic view. I love the vibe in here. It has everything you could need. Top-notch appliances, gas stove, microwave, Eco Plus, double door fridge, washer dryer right there. So everything you need is right here, and even has a cute little Mexican style sink for old-fashioned washing of your clothes. And now we're stepping into the living room and dining room area, which is so beautiful, very abundant, reflects the inside, reflects the outside. This is modern architecture, modern design, clean living, huge TV, lots of decor pieces, more of a formal dining here. Lovely big terrace, and I love personally the views of Nuevo Vallarta. You can even see Valentine. I love this more formal space for dining, having guests over. I can see myself having drinks on the patio. It's a very modern feel, very open, very comfortable, great dining room, beautiful large bathroom, bedrooms right behind me in this 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and a lovely bedroom upstairs on the second floor of this penthouse in Punto Novo. Master bedroom here in this penthouse is abundant, it's modern, lots of closet space, great tucked down king size bed with super view of the mountains and the buildings, lots of light, television, and gorgeous ensuite bathroom. Second bedroom is also very ample, lovely ensuite bathroom, a ton of storage space. Of course, every room has air conditioners, beautiful tucked down king size bed, and again, I really love this sleek dresser space with a little desk there, television, very white. The entire unit is very pristine, very clean, and a very executive feeling to it, but also fantastic for families too. This unit is a 2-story penthouse, so let's go check out the loft. We're upstairs in the loft and it's super cozy, 2 queen-size beds, lovely ensuite bathroom here, fantastic view, closet space. It feels very private. You can look down there. I love this space for kids or maybe even for guests, but it's a great 3rd bedroom in this beautiful penthouse. This luxurious urban penthouse features an oversized terrace, fantastic sweeping views of Nuevo Vallarta, and hey, the beach is only 5 minutes away. Hey, I'm feeling magnificent here on the rooftop at Punto Novo. Beautiful infinity pool, lovely view. You can just check out the ocean right behind us. Barbecue area, lounging chairs, children's play area right back there. Everything you could want and dream of at Punto Novo.